This video is to help you guys how to withdraw your AZC coins to your Mexc exchange. So the listing of AZ COINER will be on 17 tomorrow, and it will be listed on Mexc. So after Mexc, maybe they will add some other exchanges, but for now it's only Mexc. So what you need to do, you click on your wallet. After you log into your AZ COINER, click on your wallet. When you click on your wallet, you will see your AZC balance. As you can see, mine 54. If you don't see your AZC balance, make sure to click on rewards. Make sure that you have some AZC verified. You can see here I have 313 verified and others are locked. And guys, if you want to do if you have not done your KYC, click on homepage. You'll be able to see your KYC. Click on KYC and you'll be able to see if you have a message to do your KYC or you are still waiting for your KYC. So KYC will be continuous even after the listing, so don't worry. So how to withdraw? Click on send. You'll be able to click send. Just click send. If you click send, it will take you to the Chrome browser or the marketplace of AZ COINER. So I don't know why they did that, but it's the same. As you can see your balance and dashboard. You can be able to withdraw your tokens to Mexc exchange. Just click on withdraw. So if Mexc is not working for you or it's not working on your country, you can also withdraw to MetaMask or Bitget or Trust Wallet. You just need to put the correct contract address of AZC. Remember guys, the contract address of AZC, it is in Binance Smart Chain network. So click on withdraw. If you click on withdraw, you'll be able to see your balance and how much you can withdraw. You can see the network is BNB Smart Chain or Binance Smart Chain. So click when this portal will be up, you can be able to paste your address. So let's go and find the address on Mexc exchange. Go to your Mexc, click login to your Mexc account, and so that you can be able to copy your address. So let's log into our Mexc exchange. So click on wallet. If you click on wallet, just click on deposit. Just click on deposit and deposit crypto. Now you can see here, you just need to search AZC. Just click AZC and you'll be able to see AZ COINER. Just select on it and the network is Binance Smart Chain. Copy your address. Make sure to copy your address and go back to your AZ COINER website. Just click send again. Just click send. Then click on wallet. You'll be able to see your wallet and click withdraw and paste you'll just paste your address here, then you click on withdraw. So that's how you withdraw your AZC balance to AZC COINER. So guys, a lot of people are asking why they were given a little allocation. So I want to clear things here. So if you click on reward, first of all, some AZC coin were locked. So if you want them unlocked, you have to wait for the AZC for your referrals to complete KYC. If they don't complete the KYC, you will not be able to withdraw your coins. The other thing, they said your verified balance will be transferred to AZC layer 2 wallet. This wallet here, this is the layer 2 wallet. So after the TGE tomorrow in multiple unlocking phases. Here is the trick guys. They are going to distribute in phases, so they will be unlocking a small percentage for everyone. So this process will take a short period and the amount unlocked will in each phase may vary depending on your level of contribution. So guys, it means if you are active, if you are so active in AZ COINER, you'll be able to withdraw a lot of AZC. So you can see, let me guys show you something. I don't think that so many people have this AZC, and people are wondering where did the AZC balance become to. If you check at the total supply of this AZC, there are 10 billion coins. And guys, if you click on leaderboard, you'll be able to realize that even the first person have less than 500k, have 460,000. So guys, you can see that this is suspicious. And you can see guys, I am currently in number 76,000 with just 700 AZC, and not all have been unlocked. So it means that the first person will have only like 10%, or almost like 40,000, 50,000 AZC. So guys, I don't think this was fair. Their total supplies was a little bit exaggerated. So guys, that's how to transfer your AZC coins to Mexc. And guys, let me show you something. I don't think this project is I don't think this project is very genuine, because if you check on Mexc, when you try to withdraw, you'll see that, let me withdraw. You see guys, they are playing with our minds, these people. If you click on withdraw, you'll be able to withdraw AZC. And let me guys show you the fees. The fees is 250 AZC. I don't know if it is 0.5 or $1. No one know if it is 0.5 or $1. If you calculate the fees of 250 as $1, that will mean that even our allocation will have no value. So some of us were given minus 100 AZC. Most of us has less than 100 AZC. We don't know which allocations were given, or how many people were given a lot of AZC, but it's becoming suspicious that we mined this coin for months, for over, even for almost 1 year, and they are giving us dust. So guys, we shall wait today in the evening. Is it today or tomorrow, so that we can see the listing price of AZC COINER. So guys, take care, and remember to subscribe.